Guys, today I would like to tell you how to use chamfer. So let's hit the sketch and choose one plane. In this plane, we're drawing a rectangle and then extruded this rectangle with some distance. Let's hit it apply. And then you will find chamfer command is in here. You could also go into a menu and insert. In detail feature, you could find chamfer in here. So let's hit the chamfer. And default is symmetric and default distance is 1. So let's select it a edge. So we selected this edge. And then you could see this 1 millimeter is very small. So let's going to give it 3. So you could got more obviously chamfers in here. So it's a symmetric, right? If you draw a line with 45 degree, you could got a symmetric mirror shape in here. So if I change to this one, okay, you could give different numbers in here. It's not a symmetric anymore. So for example, I give it 8. You could got this line is a short, this line is a longer. And I could also reverse the directions. We could got this shape. And also I could choose offset and angle. So if we choose this one, we could give a distance in here. Let's give it 5. Okay, you could have got a distance with the angle. For example, I give 30. So you could have got an angle with angle in here is 30 degree with a 5 millimeter distance. And for example, if I change to a 10, you could got a more distance from this edge. So this distance is 10. The distance is this point to here and with a 30 degree angles here. Okay, guys, today we just finished our tutorial about chamfer. So if you like my video and you could just subscribe to my channel. See you in next class. Bye.